Thermoco's TrapZilla grease interceptor efficiently treats fats, oils, and grease from kitchen wastewater. Kitchen flows associated with grease often come in two forms: low flow discharge from pre-rinse or unstopped sink, where flow rates rarely exceed 5 gallons per minute, and impounded flows, where sinks are filled and then dumped all at once, resulting in much higher flow rates. Low flow discharge is never a problem for grease interceptors, as fats, oils, and grease separate easily at these flow rates. Impounded water flows, despite their higher flow rates, are already stratified, with most of the grease floating on top of the water. With an impounded water source, once a flow event begins, the stratified contents of the sink begin to drain with the water leaving first. Any grease residue from the previous flow event enters TrapZilla and separates, floating up past the horizontal baffle and into the grease retention area. The free-floating grease is the last thing to leave the sink. It enters TrapZilla, floating up past the horizontal baffle and into the grease retention area, where it remains until the interceptor is pumped. The vertical baffle breaks the flow of water into the unit, disrupting its path and preventing water from jet streaming out of the unit. TrapZilla's horizontal baffle prevents this water from interacting with the grease mat, retaining all previously separated grease. As water and grease flow into the interceptor, the liquid level in the main tank rises. Once the liquid level rises sufficiently, clean water from the bottom of the tank exits the interceptor through the outlet pipe. As the incoming flow slows to a stop, a small grease residue is left in the inlet of the unit. Here it will stay until another flow event, and the cycle will repeat. TrapZilla's unique design allows it to hold large amounts of grease in a compact footprint, retain previously separated grease, efficiently separate new greasy kitchen effluent, regardless of flow type. The TrapZilla Grease Interceptor, a Thermoco technology.